Unifix Reading Phonics Kit. Give students the same great Unifix hands-on learning experience for reading that they know from using Unifix cubes for math. I love this kit because it ties in a manipulative that students are already familiar with, the Unifix cube. The Unifix cubes here are in 5 different colors: red, blue, orange, green, and yellow. This kit is geared towards grades 1 and 2. Let's look at the different colors and what they mean. Our red Unifix cubes are all of our vowels. Our blue are our consonants. And I would like to also say that these are the same if you were to use the early phonics kit that we put out. These are the same colors and that they match. So kids that used that would be familiar. Your orange, your green, and your yellow are your blends. This kit also comes with an activity book, which is here, and self-correcting cards. Let's take a look at one of the activities. If I were to use this activity book, I would reproduce this page and I would look for the picture, which is a hand. I notice that how to spell hand, H-A. I need to find the blend of N and D, NIND. So I look to my yellow and I find the ND. H-A-N-D. What I like about this is I can spell it and have a visual, but then I actually need to practice my handwriting and write it right next to it. The self-correcting cards are great because I can look at the picture, which is chop, and I would need to find the green blend, CH. I can build the word CH. O. P. Chop. This is great for small groups, so you can put it in a station. It's also great for teacher working one-on-one with students. It's also really great for a special educator working within the classroom on these activities as well. With this kit, teachers have everything they need for phonics instruction.